Good afternoon, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I'm in Delray Beach, Florida, wandering around downtown. I actually rode the train down here. I'm riding it back on Monday. This is Saturday, January the 4th, I think it is. And I am looking for things to take videos and pictures of, and I saw this. I'm just in love with this look. This is a row of royal palms of varying heights. That one right there, it looks like it's about 80 or 90 feet tall. But just take a look at that. Underneath the royal palms is areca palm over there, areca palm right there, fishtail palm over here, Christmas palm here, schefflera, which is not a palm, and another areca palm and a sea grape. What a look, what a look. It looks like a two-story house or condominium right behind it, and you can see how this section of this row of trees really blocks out that condo, which is another added feature. Arecas will always do that. Fishtails will help. But I think the design of this is just beautiful. And here's the good news. The Tree Planters sells large trees planted, delivered, and guaranteed. And if this is a look you like, you can call us and we will install this exact look for you. Designed and tailored for your home. Check us out at thetreeplanters.com. Reach out to us from there and we'll do this for you. Have a great day.